divas, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with a new video. So divas, I'm going to share my experience and review with you guys of Lotus Herbal White Glow Whitening Kit. Also divas, I have got a surprise for you. So if you want to know that what is that surprise, please stick to this video till the end and you will get to know what the surprise is. Keep on watching. So if you have seen my previous video in which I took a challenge of Lotus Herbal Kit, so they have claimed that in 15 days you can notice a visible difference. So I have used the entire kit for about a month because I did not notice any difference in 15 days. So that's why I had used it for 1 month. So now I'm going to show you what all I've used and how I have used. So the Lotus Day Cream. So I've used it for a month as I said, and this is the night cream. Used it for day basis and used it for night purpose. And along with this, so this is the first thing. And the day cream and night cream, I have used it continuously for a month, and the other thing which I'm going to show you, I've used it only once in a week. So the other three thing is Lotus face mask, Lotus whitening scrub and Lotus facial foam. So this, though I have used this facial foam, this is face wash, I've used it every day, but these two things I have used it on a weekly basis. And now talking about the review, to be honest, as Lotus has claimed that you will actually notice a visible difference in 15 days, that was not actually the fact. As I said, I've used it for a month, and that is when I have noticed a visible difference. I would not say that I have got 2-3 shades lighter, but definitely the blemishes and the dark spot, also I've got dark circles, so that got reduced visibly. So that is a great thing for me. So those who have dark circles, blemishes, and dark spot, also tanning, this entire kit will work wonders. So definitely go for it guys. I will definitely give it a thumbs up. So divas, this is the surprise which I was talking about. So this is my very first giveaway, and I have got a few pretty things for you. So I'll show you one by one. So this is the first thing which I'm going to give away. So this is cute little party wear purse by Wrangler. You can see how beautiful it is, and it has got studs here as well. See? Also it has got stonework here. So this is how it looks. Also the second thing is very much in trend, Match Me in Color Lippy, and let me tell you divas, this particular shade is very much in demand, but somehow I managed to get this for you divas. So this is the second thing, and the shade number is 407. And the third and the last thing, but definitely not the least, a bohemian neck piece. You can see how beautiful it is. Divas, I know that this is not that huge giveaway, but trust me, I bought all these stuffs from my hard-earned money. and I will be giving more things away in near future. Definitely there'll be huge giveaways, but for now I have these things, so I hope you can understand. So divas, all these 3 things will be given to one lucky person who will follow and participate in this. So divas, in order to participate in this particular giveaway, all you need to do is, first, you will have to be a subscriber of my channel. Second, you will have to like this video, as well as you will have to share this video in your Facebook, and also you will have to tag my channel name so that I get to know that as well. And third, you will have to comment below with any of the idea which you want me to do, so that I can definitely go ahead and do a review or a video on that particular suggestion. So these are 3 simple do and don'ts for this particular giveaway. So this giveaway is actually to thank all my lovely divas who have been with me and liked my videos and supported me in all ways. So this is just a small token or a gesture from my side to thank you guys. So I hope you will love this giveaway. So for now, I'm signing off guys, and we'll catch you with the new video. Till then, take care, bye bye.